So I'm going to teach you how to put on your makeup properly. Oh, your toothbrush. Brush your teeth. We'll start down here. First, eyeliner. Oh, no. You must. Keep your head up. Keep your hair out of your eyes, young lady. Silly girl. So you'll be beautiful like me. Oh, I didn't do that. I'm not old enough for that. Oh, your hair is so lovely. You better hairspray your hair so that it's allow me to go. Oh, and to top it off, I will let you do this yourself. Much better. You must let Jacobina do it. Abigail, your makeup is lovely. Oh, you need a little bronzer. Shall I? No. You must learn somehow. Oh, much better, much prettier. Okay, now you. So now that you girls are beautiful like me, we're ready to go to the God meetings. Are you ready?